Tonight, we are continuing to see the aftermath of Hurricane Ian. In parts of Polk County, there was flooding and damage left behind.
10 Tampa Bay's Brent Solomon is in the Peace River neighborhood. Brent, what are you seeing?
Yeah, very good evening to you. We left the Peace River neighborhood not too long ago. We'll take you back there in just a second. Right now, I'm standing on top of a sidewalk owned by the city of Lakeland. And as you can see, crews still have their work cut out for them. We spent the day surveying the damage all across the Polk County area. Take a look at what we found.
These images may look surprising to you, but those who live in the Peace River Village mobile home community are all too familiar.
It's always like at capacity, so it's like that's all the time.
He's referring to the nearby Peace River in Polk County. Hurricane Ian's rains forcing another overflow.
Everything kind of went crazy.
Because it's not just the rain that caused a mess. So did the heavy winds.
The roof, the metal roof just came over.
Raymond Hernandez spent the day cleaning up, and he's working fast.
We have to make it livable. You know, we don't have nowhere to go.
He showed me pictures of how the rain creeped in, damaging furniture and valuables. He had to throw out his kid's bed. The winds even forcing a utility pole from across the street into his front yard. It's just a snapshot of the damage all across the county. Business signs fallen to the ground, debris covering a school parking lot and the surrounding roadway. Police directing traffic where signals have gone out. The sheriff even taking to social media Thursday after Lake Buffum Road West in Fort Meade flooded.
And as you can see, the road's washed out.
As electric crews work to get thousands back online, those cleaning up the damage remain thankful this is the worst of it here.
It's pretty bad, but always trusting in God.
And although we've certainly got some cleanup ahead in the Tampa Bay area, it really pales in comparison to what we're seeing in Southwest Florida. That from the Polk County Sheriff Grady Judd, who today sent 30 of his deputies to Lee County to help with hurricane relief. Those deputies prepared to stay there for at least 2 weeks. Tonight, I'm live in Lakeland. Brent Solomon, 10 Tampa Bay.
Yeah, and it's hard to imagine that after going 160, 170 miles through the state of Florida, Hurricane Ian remained a hurricane as it went into the Atlantic Ocean.